All right, we're in Long Beach today. We've come to see my good friend Tommy's store. It's got a place called Butterscotch, and it just so happened that my customer bike lives down in Long Beach anyway. So using it as an excuse to introduce you to one of my interesting friends. I hope he's inside. Pretty sure I saw his truck on the way in. It's over there. Nice to see you. What's going on? Bought my new Hemper t-shirt to show you, the critique. I also bought a nice bike to leave in your store. So I haven't had a bike in the store since you've been in the new spot.
3 years ago.
3 years ago. But my name's been on the window ever since.
Your name's been on the window for...
I know, well, I was on the previous window.
7 years at this point.
Yes, and you've had at least 2 motorcycles in the store.
7 years. That's longer than most of my girlfriends, I'm just saying.
There's been many.
You are one of my longest standing relationships. You've made it past, what is it, my 4-year mark?
They say, I think with men, it's if you make it past 7 years, then you're forever.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. You're locked in, bro.
Yeah. Great.
I know. I can't scratch it off the window now, so.
We're visiting you because you're one of my interesting friends, and you've got this interesting store that relates to my business. Tell me what you've got going on.
3 years ago, we moved over into this, double the square footage. When I met you, we were 900 square feet.
Do you remember when Robert Spangle introduced us?
I do, yeah.
And I walked into your store and we both looked at each other like it was a Tinder date.
Yeah,
friends?
All right, we're good. I don't think there was much said. It was just a couple of grunts and a cheeky nod, and the rest is history.
Yeah, that was weird.
Yeah.
Great.
Sometimes you just know.
Mm-hmm.
You just know. But yeah, no.
And then I got one of my biggest clients through you, who changed the direction of the business, because now everything's got Palmer parts.
Yeah, the USD front end. There's some cues. We've definitely hashed out some design ideas too.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I mean, it's pretty cool watching the brand grow, and it's watching you be somewhat resistant to some change and then embracing it.
You know what I found is like the best thing that can happen is when you get a customer that demands something that you don't agree with.
That's outside of your warehouse.
And you're like, no, that won't work. And he's like, that's what I want.
Yeah.
And if I can't have that, then I don't want it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, so I'll take something I don't want to do and I'll make it something that I approve of.
Yeah.
And then you get something really magical.
You put the Roughchild spin on it. Yeah, but I mean, that's innovation and forward progress too at the same time.
When I first came in your store and I met you, that was a turning point for me, because I'd reached this point in my age where I'd been working in my cave from 5 in the morning till 8 at night and just putting in all these hours with work, no social life, not seeing anyone. And then I came back to your store and it's like I rediscovered my mojo. And I got some cool clothes.
Yeah.
And I stepped out again.
Yeah. I mean,
it was good. It was really like the power of curated clothes.
Sure.
As opposed to going to a department store where you can make bad decisions.
There is something to be said about when you put on something that you feel good in, the confidence that just kind of comes from it.
When people ask me about this place, I generally say it's the store you can go to and just buy anything.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of time that goes into it for sure.
Because then people ask me, is it motorcycle gear? And it's not really, is it?
No, and I mean, yeah, man, it's such a fine line because people will always walk in, oh, it's a motorcycle shop. It's like, no, I love motorcycles. Really, I love anything with
motorcycle inspired apparel.
Yeah.
And I'm really guilty of it because I don't really wear motorcycle apparel. I wear motorcycle inspired apparel.
Same. So it's just like, maybe someone would call that a poser, but it's like, I'm okay with it because I know that I ride bikes. I enjoy the clothing. It serves a purpose. I feel good.
Well, and I just can't dress up like a car to ride my bike.
Yeah.
No, I get that you have to have gear.
Yeah, there's certain pieces that you have to have, but it's like, it works. So it's like, I know you're not a leather jacket guy, but it's like...
My problem, I feel like George Michael in a Faith video. Anytime I put one on, I can't get over it. It just doesn't work.
Yeah, one of the rules is too, it's like, I kind of go against it, where it's like, you can't build a shop solely based on the stuff that you want, which I have, and I've gone against the grain in some regard, but at the same time, it's like, you have to have stuff for the others as well.
Kind of like when I don't want to do something on a motorcycle, but you have to put your spin.
Exactly.
Your big thing is making leather jackets as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we built some collab pieces. A lot of it is anything that's branded with our logo, the Butterscotch logo, is my design. So it's kind of twofold. A lot of the times, there's not many manufacturers because, I mean, I'm either making it here in the US or in Japan. Because we're still a small shop, it's really hard for me to do my own standalone product.
Yeah,
so it's twofold. We get to work with some of the best brands in the world to build exclusive product for
You get
the
like
shop.
small minimum orders.
Yeah, so they'll kind of allow us to do co-branded pieces, and it's been great. We work with Vanson out of Fall River, Massachusetts. We have at any time probably 6 to 8 collab pieces. Addict, we have a very healthy relationship out of Japan. We have one collab piece that we build with them that absolutely breaks in.
I love the Addict stuff. I've never seen a bad thing from Addict.
No, their entire collection is great. So they've been with us since day one.
Guess what? Still never wear it, but I will really enjoy it.
So what do we got? What is it?
1988 R100 RS with a 1070 big bore kit, big valve heads,
Twin Spark.
Öhlins front end, twin spark ignition, full custom gauges, and I designed it to look like 356 gauges.
I see that now. Look at that.
And then when you compare it to 911 ST from the new ST,
Yeah.
they did the same. So now they just look like ST gauges.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Wave rotors, because we love wave rotors.
We love wave rotors. Nice and tidy bars.
From the Palmer Commission, internal throttle, weld-on levers, hidden switches.
Is this a new headlight? Do you normally run this?
I try not to because it's very modern.
Yeah.
It's a JW speaker headlight, very modern,
Yeah.
and I'm not against it.
Yeah. But it's just an a la carte option.
You want it, you get it. I mean, and it's actually cool, right? It does not offend
No,
me.
I know a lot of guys love it.
It's an expensive ass headlight.
It is. All a little bit.
All the bits.
All the bits.
And then when you really start looking deeper, there's like lots of brass bits that didn't exist
I just
before.
noticed the brass bit spacer. between
Brass
them.
bits.
Yeah.
That's just like BMWs lack brass bits.
Yeah.
I like that on motorcycles.
It's a nice little accent.
Endorsed by Avon.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at you.
Yeah.
All right. I like the silver. What's the silver?
Same as mine. It
Is it?
is.
It's a Ferrari silver?
It's Argento Nürburgring. And I just took an order for a bike that's gonna be another Ferrari unobtainium color that I have to try and figure out.
How much of this would you say is exclusive parts to you?
It's not the amount of parts that are exclusive to me. It's the amount of parts I have to make.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
No. There's the bike and there's an aftermarket part. The truth is the aftermarket part doesn't fit on the bike.
Well, this,
How many parts do you have to make
yeah,
the aftermarket part work?
And-
All of them.
Yeah,
So then you get guys who go and buy the part.
yeah,
Like, how did you do that?
yeah,
I'm like, but I can't tell you.
yeah. I can't tell you. That's the secret sauce.
But I'll sell you a bike. Do you want me to build you one?
Yeah.
Because I'll do it.
Yeah,
The gas tank is a European import because it's got the storage box on it.
yeah.
And this gas tank shouldn't work with this frame. It's just more fab.
Yeah, and so that's fab within the tank mount and on the frame.
I'm not telling you everything,
Yeah, yeah.
but you make it work.
Yeah.
And then the lights they're available. They're
Sure.
Denali auxiliary lights, but you've got to weld on your tabs
Yeah,
on the frame before you mount them.
yeah,
Full engine rebuild,
Yeah.
gearbox rebuild.
yeah. Oil cooler?
Yeah, oil cooler, smart carbs. The airbox is from what is that one? That's from an R90S. So it's kind of the engine cases are greatest hits of BMW.
Sure.
So it's got an early clamshell airbox and
And
an
that's
early
just
starter
you
box.
kind of years and years.
Oh, just learning what works, what looks good,
Yeah.
my preference.
Yeah.
I feel like we've exhausted more conversation than we have in 7 years. Who knew?
Who knew?
Who knew?